and today we are going to show you
simple steps to make home.
Hello, I am Andira,
And I'm Dhya.
and today we are going to show you
Simple steps to make homemade sushi.
The ingredients are a bowl of rice, nori, sausages, sliced beef, carrots, and cucumbers. First, grill the seasoned sliced beef. Then, cut the cucumbers into stripes. Next, do the same thing for the carrots. After that, slice the sausages into stripes. Next, grill the sliced sausages. Place the seaweed on the mat. Then, cover the sheet with an even layer of rice. Spread the rice evenly and gently with your hands. Then, layer the beef, cucumber, and carrot on top of the rice. You can substitute the sliced beef with sausage if you prefer to do so. Next, roll the sushi up tightly. Finally, slice it with a sharp knife.